What's up? Welcome to another episode of VP Customs. Today we're going to be changing a couple of headlight bulbs on a Cadillac CTS. It's a 2010. Dealership wants $330 a bulb to change these. Apparently you have to take off the whole bumper. I'm not buying it. Let's get started. Okay, I think it needs one of my details first off, but that's for another day. Alright, so now what she's stating is that one headlight went out and another one shortly followed after it. Either weird coincidence or just good timing. Alright, so what we'll do to get started here is we're going to start stripping off these little screws here and see where the access point is to get to the bumper. I don't think we're going to have to take off the full bumper. Pretty sure you just peel off each side just a little bit, enough to remove the headlight. Alright, so let's get started. These are just little screw tops. Just throw those on the side. What is this? Get that out of here. All right. Looks like holding on over here, we've got a couple little pop things. It's easy enough. Probably have to get in this inner wheel well, grab a couple little tabs. It's all the same. This is nothing to be intimidated of. The newer cars, they just don't want you to be able to change the headlight on your own. And I don't really think there's any reason why you shouldn't be able to. Alright, now these little tools are great. You can pick these up at Harbor Freight. So cheap. And yeah, they're gonna break. They are cheap, but for as much as the average person is gonna use them, worth its weight in gold. Pop that up. Watch them fly all over the place, it's good. There you go. Alright. We're already starting here. We'll peel there. Come over here. Got some more little pops. Let's do those. It always helps if you turn the wheel away from what you're working on. So at least get at those. So what I was showing over here. Easy. There's the rest. Nice keys. So I use that same plastic pry tool just to kind of pry out this inner fender well. If you look up in there, you're gonna see there's another little bolt here. See what size it is. We'll start off with a 10, right? Everybody always says everything's a 10. Start off with that. Rusty. Okay. Not too bad, see? All right, if you look right there, got another bolt for the headlight now. There's a top bolt, and there should be one more. Gotta look to find that one. So yeah, there's got to be one more lying around here somewhere. I think I see it down there. Okay, so we found the other missing bolt there. Just took off the other side, this and that one, both those. Now we got a little more flex on the bumper. And if you look way down there, see that bolt right there. Okay, the last bolt's out, matches the top one. Now the headlight should be just held in by some sort of clip at this point. Yeah, see it. Just kind of give it a nice pull. Kind of give it a nice pull. Okay. Okay, and we're out. Oof. I don't know about you guys, but these clips, just the worst. All right. Put this down somewhere. We won't scratch it too much. Grab a towel or something, put on your workbench. Okay, now these bolts are 7mm. Top one is your headlight. Bottom, drop the bolts. Bottom is the high beam. We're only changing the actual low beam. Sylvania H11. There it is. A little bit burned out there. Okay, there's a replacement. It's always important when you're handling these just not to actually touch the bulb. Don't ask me why. Not a scientist. Line up your little tabs and you'll hear a little click or feel a little click there. Okay, we're back in. We'll put the cover back on. What I like to do before I actually put the whole bumper back on any car is just plug in the light, get in the car, make sure it works. Takes 2 seconds. It'll save you a lot of time in the long run. Our lights on. Let's see what we got over here. We have bulbage. Alright, so this one's good to go back in. Alright, when you go to slide your light back in, you're going to see like a couple little alignment tabs. That'll go through that. This one on top, like I said, back through that. There's one on the bottom as well. Line it up with that one. And you'll kind of feel like a little bit of a snap when it does go into place. But you might have to force it just slightly. There we go. Okay. So you might as well just throw one bolt in there just to hold you down in place. We'll start the other bolt that was kind of down here. There was that insanely long bolt. Rusty too. That's okay. All right, let's tighten those up. I have to do the bottom by hand. Drop your wrench and down the bumper. cut your arm pulling it out. It's all part of the process. Let me get the light in here so you guys can see where this bolt actually is. It's that the guy right there. Oh. Okay. Everything's looking kind of sad. We'll get it back together. Okay, so now we'll move on to the other side. One thing I'm gonna do is just at least bolt a couple of these bolts back on so the bumper doesn't just fall off when we're doing it. So that didn't happen, I promise. Whoa. These are just the push-in style.
Don't try to stop me. Listen to the drum, yeah, it's marching. Sounds like an army. There's only one way out. Turn the heat up for the countdown. I got gasoline, just hand me a lighter. About to set it all on fire, fire. Watch it as the flames get higher, higher. About to set it all on fire.
So it was as easy as that. Saved ourselves $330 for one. Who knows what they would have charged us for both of them. But if you're willing to take about an hour of your time, just try this out yourself. It's really not that hard. You can always watch a YouTube video like this. And as always, thank you for watching so much, guys. I really appreciate all your support. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Really helps for some reason. I don't know why. Funky algorithm. Thank you very much again.